In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your WooCommerce shop page. If you're looking to customize your online store and make it better, reflect your brand, or cater to your business's needs, altering your shop page is a great place to start. Let's dive into this simple process together. First, open your WordPress dashboard. This is your hub for managing everything on your site, including WooCommerce. Once you're on the dashboard, you'll want to locate the WooCommerce option on the left-hand side menu. Hover over it, and you'll see a list of options pop up underneath. Click on Settings from this list. This will take you into the heart of your WooCommerce settings, where you can control a wide array of functionalities on your site. Now that you're in the settings area, you'll notice several tabs running along the top of this page. These tabs segment different areas you can adjust, everything from payments to shipping. But for today, our focus will be on the Products tab. Click on it to open up a new set of options that allow you to manage how your products are displayed and handled on your store. You're almost there. Inside the Products section, you'll see a subsection specifically labeled as Shop Page. This is where you'll make the change to your shop's portal. Presently, it likely shows your default shop page or whichever page WooCommerce had previously set up for you. To change this, click on the drop-down menu. Within this list, you'll see all the pages that exist on your WordPress site. Carefully scroll through and select the page you wish to designate as your new shop page. It could be a newly created page where you plan to add custom content or any existing page you have on your site. Make your choice based on your overall site design and business goals, ensuring it fits seamlessly into the customer experience you wish to create. Once you've chosen your preferred page, take a moment to review your selection, ensuring it's adequately aligned with the vision you have for your site. To finalize these changes, look towards the bottom of the page and you'll see a familiar-looking button. Save Changes. Click on this to apply your new settings. This step is crucial because it updates your site configuration, reflecting the new look and feel you've set up for your customers. It may take a few moments for the site to update, but once done, you can navigate to your shop page directly to see how it appears live. And that's it! In just a few straightforward steps, you've learned how to change your WooCommerce shop page, paving the way for a personalized shopping experience that aligns with your brand. Thank you for watching, and happy selling!